Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's video. In today's video, I have brought wonderful hairstyling ideas for you. So let's proceed with this hairstyle. See how beautiful it is looking. Now let's proceed with this. Take a small portion of hair, bind it like this, and then you have to make braids like this. Now this one, and finish it using beautiful hairpin. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Tie your hair in this way. Now you have to make a knot using your hair strands. Then take the rest of the hair, and this is done. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First you have to take small portion of your hair, and then this beautiful hairstyle is ready. These are very less time taking and easy to make. See how beautiful they are looking. You can use these hairstyling ideas, and in few minutes you can be a hairstylist. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First you have to make a ponytail, then make a braid like this, and then you have to tie your hair and finish it using a beautiful hairpin. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Take a small portion from both the sides, and then you have to tie like this. Divide your hair in two parts and then make a beautiful bun like this.